Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we will be talking about how to fix Nextdoor registration error. So if it is address validation error, you can fix this issue by using the autocomplete. Start typing your address slowly and select it from your drop-down menu to ensure it matches their mapping database. Now try different formatting such as writing out street instead of ST or removing the unit or apartment number then adding it back in a second attempt. Now look up your home on Google Maps and enter the address exactly as shown there. If you live in a new building, your address might not be in the system yet. Use the Nextdoor help contact form to report it. Now, if you're not receiving the verification codes, check your junk or spam. Just go to your email and then go to your spam folder to check the verification codes. Now, the next what you can do is, if you're using SMS, make sure that your mobile phone plan's billing address matches the address you are registering with Nextdoor. Now the next what you can do is close the app and then reopen it or restart your phone. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.